camping trip helped me personally by letting me take a break and reflect on why I enjoy this community so much in the first place.
Let go, let go, let go.
The camping trip. Honestly, during my using time, I had no idea how to have fun in sobriety, and this has really opened up my eyes towards that.
Helped me get out of my comfort zone a lot. I tried a lot of new things that I didn't think I'd try in a million years. It really helped me build a sense of community that I really haven't had in such a long time.
Put down, put down, put down now. Put down what you are carrying. Put down what you are carrying. Put down what you are carrying. Put down, put down, put down, down.
Don't you go to war with yourself. It don't look good on you.
Being fresh in sobriety is like being a man without a paddle. CFC impacted my life by not only hopping in my boat, paddling till their arms fell off.
You got other things to do now.
It's impacted my life so greatly. I had no idea that there was such a fun, loving group of sober people that you could hang out with.
Let go of everything holding you down. I know you know we know the time.
The one quality I felt on the camping trip was definitely gratitude, so thank you.
Put down what you are carrying. Put down, put down, put down now. Put down what you are carrying. Put down what you are carrying.